Sige, si Manang Bilky, anong report sa Kamara? Anong latest?
Anti-political dynasty bill, mistulang pro-dynasty pa rin, pero kasalukuyang setup ng Senado ganap na maaapektuhan. Detalye sa report ni RH12, Miss Milky Ragunan. Miss Milky.
Lakay at Jackie, kapag naging ganap na batas, tatamaan ang kasalukuyang komposisyon ng Senado sa ilalim ng anti-political dynasty bill dahil sa probisyon ng second degree of consanguinity. Ito ang paliwanag ni Honorable Representative Zia Alonto Adyong, Chair ng House Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms sa pagtalakay ng House Bill 8389. Sa interpellation ni Akbayan Party List Representative Shel Sokno, sinabi ni Adyong, direktang maapektuhan ang setup ng Senado na ngayon ay may 4 na set na magkakapatid ang nakaupo sa ilalim ng 20th Congress. Hindi man binanggit pero sila ay magkakapatid na sina Senators Cayetano, Tulfo, Villar at Ejercito Estrada. Narito ang paliwanag ni House Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reform Chairman Zia Alonto Adyong sa interpellation ni Akbayan Representative Shel Sokno.
It will directly affect the current setup in the Senate right now. I would admit, Mr. Speaker, there are 4 sets of siblings serving under this current Congress, Mr. Speaker, and I do not want to mention their names. We all know who are they, Mr. Speaker, 4 sets of siblings. Once this bill would pass, and they're very much directly affected of this, because they're, within the second degree of consanguinity and affinity. So definitely there will be impact on the national level, Mr. Speaker. Apart from the one that I just explained to you, Mr. Speaker, it weakens the possible sources of votes, Mr. Speaker, from localities that has captive votes simply because of the control of one family over that locality. And it will weaken, possibly, Mr. Speaker, the votes that we will provide for a certain national candidate who are running for either president, vice president, or senators. But directly with this bill, Mr. Speaker, it would change 180 degrees the setup in the Senate because we know that there are 4 sets of siblings currently now serving under the 20th Congress.
Yung ang gusto natin.
Samantala, kinontra naman lakay ni Jokno at the Union ng Bill dahil pinapayagan pa rin daw ang sabay-sabay na paghawak ng kapangyarihan na magkakamag-anak sa maraming posisyon sa gobyerno. Sa interpellation, sinabi ni Jokno, pwede pa rin ang iisang pamilya na may presidente, congressman, governor, mayor at punong barangay na sabay-sabay na nasa pamahalaan. Tapos, pinatayang 5,613 sa kabuang 9,852 elective positions ang mabubuksan naman para sa mga bagong leader na nais magsilbi sa gobyerno. Ako si Milky Ragunan, nagulat para sa DZRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Dami.